So hello everyone, I want to talk with all of you just for 5 minutes. So listen to me carefully just for 5 minutes. So if you haven't cleared any group or any examination in recent attempt, that is January 2021, then this video may be useful to you. And if you have cleared the examination, then this video motivate you to do any further action. So let's start with the point. So first update I want to give from my side that channel name is going to be changed from CMA course information to CMA Pradeep Purohit. So as I have already mentioned in my previous videos that CMA course information name I have chosen randomly. Why I have chosen, I even don't know why I have chosen the name CMA course information. So that is why channel name is going to be changed from CMA course information to CMA Pradeep Purohit. That is my personal name. So I will change the channel name from CMA course information to CMA Pradeep Purohit. So you have to subscribe the channel if you want to get more updates and information and motivational videos and strategy type videos. So you may subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So now let's back on the topic. So from yesterday onward I have started making facecam videos. So all of you might don't know about me, who I am and in how many attempts I have cleared my examination. So that is why here I am sharing my CMA foundation inter and final result. So according to you, you can take advice from me. For example, I got 83 marks in OMSM. So how I got 83 marks in OMSM? Because in strategic management it is difficult to gain marks, even though how I did got 83 marks in OMSM. So you can take advice from me accordingly. That is why here I am sharing my CMA foundation intermediate and final result. So you can check itself on screen. So first give me your feedback that shall I come live on each and every alternative day so that you can ask a question and I will solve those each and every question, or shall I make videos on each and every topic so that your topic shall also will be covered in that video. But preferably I think I shall come live, and so that you will ask a question and I will share solve all those questions. So first give me your feedback that what shall I do for you. So now let's discuss about those students who didn't clear the examination. So that video is not on a motivational type video, that is based on the reality. So I want to give one example with you. For example, you got a 30 or 35 marks or 20 or 25 marks, or you got a 180 or 190 marks, or that there is an aggregate problem. So remember one thing, you haven't failed the examination. What is the meaning of failed examination? Failed examination means you got a 0 marks, that is called a failed examination. If you haven't got the 0 marks, then you haven't failed the examination, but you missed a few points. Remember that my 4 words, you missed a few words, that is why you haven't cleared the examination. So which are the few points you have to consider? So you have to analyze by yourself. If time permits to you, then definitely you can share your result to me on Instagram or Telegram as well. Link is given in description box, and you can also elaborate your strategy, how you did preparation, so that I will get to know about how you did preparation, and I will share few points. That is why I am making this video. Remember one thing, you missed a few points, that is why you haven't cleared the examination. So rectify that few points and give examination in next attempt, and then definitely you will clear the examination. So whenever I will come live in upcoming days, or whenever I will making videos on that topics, then definitely I will incorporate those questions as well, so that you will clear examination in next attempt, and I will share my experience as well in upcoming live as well. So you may subscribe the channel if you feel so. So if you have cleared the final examination, then definitely you are celebrating right now, and that is also required. Celebration is also required, but after that you have to once again come back to the topic to do preparation of campus placement. So we all together definitely crack the campus placement, and I will try to share my campus placement experience through this channel also. So stay tuned for all the updates and information, and if you are new on the channel, then you may subscribe the channel, and you can join the Telegram channel as well for updates and information. So thank you, bye bye, and take care, and all the best for future.